Hey guys, Michael here from Silverado LEDs. Today we're going to install rear brake light and turning signal LEDs on our 2022 Silverado. The same install process applies for 2019 through 2026 Silverado models. These LED bulbs are a huge upgrade over the factory halogens. For this install, you're going to need these LED bulbs and a T15 torque screwdriver. Okay, let's go ahead and get started. First step here is to remove the two screws. You got one here at the top and one at the bottom. You're going to use your T15 torque screwdriver. Go ahead and remove the two screws. Make sure you hang on to them so you don't lose them. Go ahead and remove the two screws, and then you'll have access to the tail light in your hand by giving pressure at the top and bottom, pulling away from the truck. Once you have the tail light in your hand, you'll be replacing the first and the third one from the top. You're going to be grabbing the base of the top one, giving a counterclockwise turn and pull it away, and you'll have the bulb in your hand. Next, you're going to grab the bulb and pull it away from the base. Set it down and grab your nice, bright LED bulb from Silverado LEDs. Put it back in the base. Put it back in the hole. And give it a clockwise turn. And you'll repeat the exact same steps for the third bulb from the top. All of this was just done on the driver's side. The same process goes for the passenger side. The last part of the install is putting the tail light back on the truck and resecuring it with the two screws. And that's all it takes to upgrade your stock halogens to brighter, safer LED lighting. You can get these LED bulbs and all your Silverado lighting upgrades from Silverado LEDs, where everything is built for Silverado owners by Silverado owners. We are a family-owned and operated company right here in the US. Upgrade your Silverado today at silveradoleds.com. If this video helped, give us a like and subscribe so you don't miss out on our latest install videos, new product launches, and Silverado upgrades. And don't forget, we are built to light your way.